WhatsApp has been our go-to messaging app for many years from now, and WhatsApp is actually constantly trying to do many things to make it better in terms of user experience and in terms of adding new features. And in this video I'm going to talk about 5 major upcoming feature changes in WhatsApp. So let's go. Some of us use hide last seen feature on WhatsApp, right? And the problem with that feature is if you turn off your last seen, it will be turned off for everyone in your contacts. But now WhatsApp is actually testing a feature to turn off your last seen for certain contacts. Yes, so like you hide statuses for certain contacts, you can now also turn off your last seen status for certain contacts. Yes, this feature is actually trying to be tested and WhatsApp is actually rolling out for some beta users, and this is in the pipeline of WhatsApp's new upcoming major feature change. So this is a much needed feature. What do you guys think about this feature? Comment your opinion in the comment section below. Archive is now read later. Yes, so the name of archive is now being changed to read later, and this is also a feature that's going to come on WhatsApp. We always use archive to save all those messages which we need to reply later, or we also use this feature to hide some messages from other people also. But still, this feature's name is going to be changed to read later because that is the purpose of archive, and apart from that there's nothing more that they're going to add on to this feature. Just the name change is going to happen from archive to read later. WhatsApp communities is going to come on WhatsApp, and this is a feature that's similar to groups, but groups actually has 246 participant limit, but WhatsApp communities will have much more wider participant support, 500 or 1000 participants. So we have to wait and watch. And not only that, they are also testing features like polls and Q&A, and it's going to be great. And it seems that WhatsApp is in the testing phase of this communities feature, and there has been screenshot leaked that WhatsApp is actually testing communities on WhatsApp. So comment your opinion in the comment section below. Sometimes we send messages by mistake to our contacts, right? And that time delete for everyone feature comes in handy to actually delete the message which we have sent by mistake. And there's a time limit on WhatsApp in order to use that delete for everyone feature. But now WhatsApp is currently testing delete for everyone anytime as a feature. So on Instagram, if you send a message by mistake, you can unsend it anytime. There's no time limit for that. But on WhatsApp, there is a time limit. I guess now it's around 7 hours, but when it was first rolled out, it was only 7 minutes. So WhatsApp is currently testing this feature to delete your messages anytime. Like it may be 1 day or 2 days. You can also delete your message after 3 days, which is really great. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? It was a much needed feature. It's already there in one of their subsidiary applications, which is Instagram, and now it's a high time for them to roll out this feature on WhatsApp. So what do you guys think about this feature? Comment your opinion in the comment section below. Last and final feature is nothing but you can send files up to 2 GB through WhatsApp. Yes, the limit before was 100 megabytes, but now WhatsApp is currently testing a feature to send files up to 2 GB, which is really great. And this feature is currently being rolled out to certain beta users, especially in and out of Argentina. And I guess WhatsApp is actively working on this feature to be rolled out very soon. Probably in the next WhatsApp update, this feature will be rolled out for all the stable users. And if you need to test this feature out, you can enroll on WhatsApp beta through Play Store, so that you might also get a chance to test out this feature of sending file sizes up to 2 GB, which is absolutely great. I mean, 100 megabytes was very low, but now it's a high time for them to increase the bandwidth of file size to send to other user, which is around 2 GB. You can send anything. You can send a movie, you can send a very large raw footage clip that you have shot with your camera, or anything that sizes up to 2 GB, which is great. So there you have it. These are the 5 major changes that's going to come on WhatsApp. And what do you guys think about each and every feature that I told about? Comment your opinion in the comment section below. And as always, a like and sub to this channel would be absolutely great. And hey, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for the future videos. This is me, Arnav, signing off on the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care. And